What are we having today?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. But this one's yellow.
Yes.
We've never seen a yellow one before, have we? Oh my goodness. So she's cutting off the top.
Like this one, like it's very easy like this. Wow.
Nice peel. And it's bright white on the inside. You'd think it would be yellow.
Why?
I think there are yellow flesh ones, but you'd think it'd be yellow in the middle.
Wow.
Wow. That's still bigger than the ones we get back home. You can see this one. This one is like, I don't know, like a kid's soccer ball size almost. I mean, look at next to the grapes. Those are big grapes. And the snakeskin fruit there. But okay, so we have yellow on the outside, canary yellow, bright yellow on the outside, and the white flesh on the inside. Yeah, cut it open. Let's see what we got.
Got now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Bright white with dark black seeds. There we go. Whoa, look at that. Oh, our chef here today is the Critter. Thank you, Critter. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. Wow, oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. All right. So, do you want to try it or should I? Yeah? You want me to try? Okay. All right. Oops. Hey. Oh, hey. Mmm. That is like a lemon dragon fruit almost. It's very, very sweet tart. Very sweet and sour. What is that? Lamig and tamis. Huh?
It's my turn.
Whoa, Aslam.
Aslam.
Yes.
Aslam man.
Aslam and tamis. What was I saying? Lamig? That's cold.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's cold in here.
Aslam little na.
Yeah, a little Aslam, a little more Aslam than tamis. So a little more tart than sweet. This red one is probably going to be a lot more sweet. We had its brother yesterday, and it was very sweet and very flavorful. Unlike what you get back home in the States, anyway. When I was in Virginia or Minnesota or wherever I was. Why are you taking video of me now too? the videoer is the videoed. Anyway, back in the States, I don't think they picked them quite ripe. They were small and they didn't have a lot of flavor. But these bad boys, lots of flavor. Very good. If you're ever in Indonesia or basically anywhere in Southeast Asia, the dragon fruit, even the yellow ones that are a little more tart, are very much worthwhile. What's the verdict? What's the verdict? Hey, what's the verdict? Peace is the verdict? 2 thumbs up or what?
What?
You like?
I like.
You like?
It's better than some.
You like the red one better though? Okay, a little sweeter. Okay, sounds good. Anyway, we're in Indonesia still. We're just about to leave the island of Java soon, and head to Bali. Bye bye. Dragon fruit.